Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys really parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toys with my hand. So at first see, this one is a flying horse. So I will try this one. Let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this flying horse. This one is yellow and red color combination. And next one is a cartoony car here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this cartoony car. This one is black, white and green color combination. This one is a police helicopter, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this police helicopter. This one is pink and paste color combination. And next one is a very big size 3 combination lorry here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this lorry. This one is yellow, green, black and pink color combination. And next one is a tourist bus here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this tourist bus. This one is yellow and black color combination. This one is a animal truck here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this animal truck. This one is yellow, black and paste color combination. There is a last one is very big size fire truck here, so I will try this one. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this fire truck. This one is white, black and yellow color combination. So friends, all of my vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.